Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy DJ 90 aka Mr. Keys aka DJ 90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, so today we are doing the 4th episode of the beat breakdown series. A series where guys I'm showing you how I made a certain beat. We break it down into steps and show you the kind of sound I used and what I did in order to obtain that kind of sound or that kind of beat, right? So without any waste of time guys, let's get straight into the video. So I'll start by covering drums first. Right here on the drum section I have my kick right here, right? So this is how my kick sound like. Yeah, that's how my kick sound like. Then from the kick I have this sound right here. It's a snare, right? So it sound like this. Just basic, nothing crazy, just basic snare. So from that snare I have this sound here. It's a bongo drum. This is how it sound like. Yeah, so after that I have this sound right here. It's a bongo drum, it's another bongo, so it sound like this. It just come once in a while, you know, once in a while. Yeah, that's how the bongo sound like. Then from the bongo we have this it's a rim shot, right? So this is how it sound like. Yeah, just like that, that's how it sound like. Then from there I have this sound. It's another rim shot. You know, I layered a lot of rims in here just to give it, you know, the African vibe. You know, there was this feel I was trying there's this sound I was trying to achieve, so I layered a lot of rims, right? So this how it sound like. Yeah. So that's how it sound like. So from there I have I have a conga, right? A conga. This is how it sound like. So after that conga I have this sound here. It's a tribal bongo. It's a bongo also, right? It sound like this. Yeah, I love this one. It has that sound effect, you know. So let me play how drums sound like, you know, how all of my drums sound like. So my drums sound like this. Yeah, yeah, you can feel already it's a African vibe, it's African beat, it's Afrobeat, but there's something missing in there and we are missing a shaker, guys. So what I did after I put this shaker loop right here, I love using this shaker loop because it sounds so good, right? So this is how it sounds like. Yeah, so from that shaker I layered it with this shaker, right? I have two shakers on this one. I layered it. This is like I did it like manually. I put it in. It's not a shaker loop, you can see, but I wanted to achieve a different vibe altogether. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah, just like that. So when shakers are together, right, when it's like that, you won't hear how much effect it does, but when it is with this one, it goes crazy. Just listen. You can hear, right? Yeah, it's crazy. It's freaking crazy. So now let's hear the shakers with the drums. Now you're gonna hear the complete Afrobeat, the one that we know, because Afrobeat is all about shakers and African sound, like African percussion and all that. So this is how it sounds like with those shakers. Just listen the vibe. Listen to the vibe. Yeah, you can feel it already. It's vibe already. Yeah. So after I was done with those drums, I went ahead. I added this piano right here. It's piano from Key's own classic, right? So this is the plugin I used. It's a free plugin. You can get it on Google. So it's free. It's Key's own classic. The preset I'm using is Yamaha Grand Piano. I love using this one because this piano is so good, guys. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah. So that's how my piano sound like. Then from the piano I have this sound here. It's a flute. It's a clarinet sound, right? Let me see how I got this sound. Okay, I got this sound from Morphine. It's a free plugin. It's a stock plugin. It comes with FL Studio. So it's BRS clarinet, right? So you come here to brass and winds and you'll find it there. It's clarinet. So this is how it sound like. Yeah. Yeah, so this sound plays on the intro, right, when we are introducing the beat and all that. Then from there I have another keys, right? I have another keys which I played. It's also the same plugin, Key's own classic, but the preset is different. I'm now using a different preset because I wanted a different vibe. I'm now using a basic electric piano. There I was using the Yamaha. It's more like a piano. This one is more like something else. It's vibey. So this is how it sound like. Yeah. Then from there it has this another part also. It's a different part. It plays like this. Yeah. So that's like the electric piano I did. From there I have this sound here. It's a diggy vibe sound. It's a sound from Purity, right? So I love using this sound because it gives you that African feel thing, like marimba sound. So you get it here, you come to bells and peg, and it's diggy vibe 3, right? So this is how it sounds like. Just like that. It's like that, but like when you play it with the concept of the beat, it goes crazy. It goes crazy. So from there I have this sound here. It's a sound from Morphine. Let me check what's the name of this sound. Probably, yeah, it's a pen pipes, right? It's a pen pipes. It's crazy. So this is how it sound like. Yeah. Yeah, it plays like that. So I wanted something that would be consistent, throughout the beat, something that it won't change, it will just be consistent, just like that. Then I did this sound, right? Then from that one I layered my string here, because I love strings. They cover a background sound. When there's a space where there's nothing going on, strings, they do that. They put that, they cover that space so that the whole thing is covered. That's why I love using strings. So this is how it sounds like. Yeah. So this thing I call it from purity. So you come to purity, then strings, then it's a v dot under strings 2. So that's the string I used, and from there now we have a bass guitar. My god. So this is a bass guitar. So I did several parts, but it's still the same bass, because I wanted, you know when bass plays on a song, you can tell that this bass is being played live. So it's not like repetitive, so I don't want it to be repetitive. That's how I make my beats more of the time. When it comes to bass, I make sure that the bass is different altogether, so it does not sound like repetitive, so you can feel as if it's being played live while it's here on studio. So this is the bass I'm using. It's a preset. This is purity. Then you come to bass guitars, and it's eBass08. I love using this one. So it has different sections. You're gonna hear all the sections. They sound crazy, so it will sound as if it was played live. So this is how it sounds like. It changes. It change again here. You see? Yeah, so that's how my bass guitar sound like. It's always changing. It's not repetitive, it's always changing. Then from there I have the main sound for the song. Oh man, this sound is the one that rules on this beat. It carries the whole beat. Without this sound, there's no this beat, right? So this beat is influenced or inspired by this sound. It's a guitar. It's a nylon guitar, like nylon acoustic guitar. So this is hypersonic right here, right? It's a free plugin. You can get it on Google, right? It's hypersonic. Then from there you come here on your preset side, and it's acoustic guitars, right? From acoustic guitars, then you will see it. It's a nylon finger acoustic, right? This one here, this is the sound. So this how this sound like. This one, it carries the whole beat. It goes crazy. So it sounds like this. Yeah, you could hear that some notes, they were kinda slow to play, just because I don't want it to sound like robotic. I wanted it to sound as if it was being played by a real guitar, right? So from there I have my tag right here, DJ 90s beat. So once you hear this tag, just know I am the one who produced the beat or made the beat, right? So this is how it sounds like. DJ 90s beat, it is I, right? So okay, let me play you this beat, how everything I showed you connects with one another, and how this beat goes crazy, right? So it sounds like this. It's a vibe. Yeah guys, so that's how I made this kind of beat. It's guitar kind of vibe, you know. It's influential beat, you know, inspiring beat. I love this beat with all that's me. A day doesn't go by where I don't play this beat, because I feel like it's one of the beat I've made, you know, those beat that when you listen to it you feel like, you know, it kind of motivate you to do the things that need to be done, right? So this is that kind of beat for you. That's why I named it influential beat, because it influences you to do something, right? So yeah, this is how I made this beat. It's a nice vibe afrobeat, right? Yeah guys, so that completes the 4th episode of the beat breakdown series. Thank you guys for watching the video. You can go ahead and support the channel. You can like, share, comment and subscribe, and guys, I'll see you into another video. I'm DJ 90 and I'm out. Peace.